Hey, what's going on, everybody? On today's episode of piecing back together the turbo junk box, I'm finally getting around to installing the big brake kit. I went with the E34 540 front brakes. I sourced it all from a few different places. Overall, it cost me about 500 bucks on the dot to do the front brake kit. I got the StopTech drilled and slotted rotors from ECS Tuning. They ran about 245. For pads, I went with some Hawk HPS street pads. Heard some pretty good things about them, and I got them from FCP Euro. They cost about $135. You get that lifetime warranty with FCP Euro, which is great. So once they wear out, you could get new pads. And the calipers and brackets I actually sourced from AutoZone, believe it or not. They had them. They were about $110 for both of them with the brackets, everything. Not bad at all. Hopefully they hold up. Should hopefully feel a pretty significant difference with these on there. These rotors measure about 302 millimeters, and the stock ones here are 282, so a pretty significant difference on the rotors. Pads are a little bigger. It's still a single piston caliper, but it is bigger, so overall should be pretty solid. We're gonna get going on it here in a few. Maybe I'll do a time-lapse video, and I'll do some before and afters once I have these off, just placing them all next to each other so we could really see the difference. Tools do this job, not much at all. 7mm Allen socket, a 5mm for the set screw, but if you got an old junky one like me, probably gonna have to drill it out a little bit, and a screwdriver and a hammer, and that's about it. So we're gonna get going, and stay tuned. Alrighty, so here's a quick look over while I got it all off before I go back together. We can see a pretty good size difference in the rotors there. Maybe a little hard to pick up on the camera, but it's definitely a bit thicker as well, along with overall length and width. See a pretty good difference between the piston size as well. Definitely a lot bigger on that one. Might be a little hard to see on the pads, being I smoke these things to living hell. Not much left on them. Too many highway poles, but these pads definitely look a bit beefier, a little bit longer. But alrighty, we're gonna go back together and see how it all looks. Here's a final look over, just buttoned up both sides. Everything went smooth, fit right in. Rotors did clear the backing plate like it said. Calipers and brackets fit right up in there, bolted right to the hub. So everything went good. I got some new set screws on order. I just hand tightened the other ones in there for now. Give you a quick look over the other side. There we have it. Alrighty, thanks for watching, guys.